In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book Alaska Airlines with Avios. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Avios are part of the British Airways loyalty program. So if you have Avios, you will be able to redeem them on British Airways itself or other partner airlines. And this includes the Alaska Airlines and also American Airlines. So essentially, if you want to redeem Avios, for an Alaska Airlines flight, you have to do it through the British Airways website. So if you go over to the Alaska Airlines website and you try to search for a flight through here, even though you can find flights and use miles, you will not be able to redeem Avios directly. If you strictly want to redeem your Avios for these flights, you have to go over to British Airways instead. Now, do your search like you would for any flights available on Alaska Airlines. If you find a flight that is operated by American Airways or Alaska Airlines, so as you can see, this would be an example, you will be able to get your Avios redeemed for this specific flight. So in this case, these flights here are operated by British Airways and Alaska Airlines. So all that you would have to do is choose any of the fares, proceed until you see the total price, and one of the options is going to be Save with Avios. And now you can log into your account using your username or email or membership number alongside the password to redeem the Avios for this specific Alaska Airlines flight. Keep in mind that these flights are very limited and you will only be able to redeem them if you find a flight on the British Airways search function that is operated by Alaska Airlines. Redeeming them directly on the Alaska Airlines website or mobile app sadly is impossible, as weird as that may seem. So go over to ba.com or britishairways.com, choose the option to book, and then book a flight with Avios that is operated by American or Alaska Airlines. I hope I was able to help you on how to book Alaska Airlines with Avios. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.